Okay, I'm going to show you today is how to do the BMW online search function, and right now I'm in a 2017 BMW i3. Although this will work for a lot of the BMWs made between the years of 2013 and 2016, just depending on packaging and the models itself. So if on the main screen here you go into navigation, and if you go into the point of interest selection, and if you have the option here for online search, including the one that shows voice input right here, you do have this function. So first, to activate this, what you would do is actually click on the voice command button here on the steering wheel. Just doing a tap of this will bring up the voice command function for us. Now the commands that we're going to do here are one of two. I can either say points of interest, or I could say online search. Either one of these will bring up the selection. So if I tap this and say online search.
Points of interest, online search. Start speaking after the tone.
So it'll bring up the search. It'll take a couple seconds, but it'll bring up the tone for us. And once that tone sounds, you just basically say what you're looking for. So I can say a number of different commands here. So I can either say an exact address, so I could say 7011 McNeil Drive, Austin, Texas, or I could say a restaurant I'm looking for, a type of restaurant, and things like that. So I could say Italian restaurants, I could say Starbucks, and basically it would find it right from there. So as an example, I'm going to press the voice command button here. Points of interest.
Points of interest, online search. Start speaking after the tone.
So after it gives me the tone, I would say what I'm looking for. Starbucks. Now it'll record up to 5 seconds, although if you're done speaking and want to skip past that, you can also just press down on the controller down here as well. So from here, it's going to be a list of all the local Starbucks, so I can scroll between them with my controller and find the exact one I'm looking for. And once I've found it, I just select it here and then press on the flag to accept that destination. Another way we can do this is actually doing an exact address with the system. So once again, I'm going to press the voice command button and say points of interest.
Points of interest, online search. Start speaking after the tone.
7011 McNeil Drive, Austin, Texas. And after a couple seconds, it'll give me the selection.
There is
here.
only one entry in the list. Select entry,
Yes.
start guidance, or add as another destination.
Start.
Route guidance started.
And right from here, start our guidance. So what's nice about this is that it's using online information, which in some cases can bring up addresses that otherwise the system cannot find. It's also, in general, just a much easier way of entering addresses on here. Now, one additional thing with this system as well is that depending on the model year of the car, this was either a 3 or 4 year service included with the vehicle as brand new. So you may have to check with your BMW Assist information to ensure that you still have it. And in some cases, if it's already expired, you may be able to add it back onto the car as well. Hope this helps. You guys have a good day.